Welcome to this week ahead analysis video brought to you by 𝖢𝖥𝖣yiy. Key data to watch this week includes two central bank speeches, one from the Bank of England Governor Bailey on Tuesday at 12:15 p.m. GMT. 3 p.m. GMT the same day, we had Federal Reserve Chairman Powell speaking ahead of key inflation data coming out on Wednesday. US core CPI forecast to grow to 0.3% month on month. Key data will also be on Friday. US core retail sales expected to fall to 0.3%. Going on to the US dollar index then, it's a bit of a rocky week for the dollar index. A strong start to the week because of Trump tariffs, and then a close down at the end of the week after he announced a pause to those tariffs. But at the end of last week, we saw another announcement of potential tariffs, reciprocal tariffs now coming from the president. So are we going to see another spike in the US dollar on the open, or are we going to see prices start to decline here in line with COT data, which is forecasting dollar weakness? Going over to the UK then, we've got the pound US dollar, which held at the 1.25 handle. The Bank of England halved its growth forecast for this year down to 0.75% from 1.5%. That could cause some downside to the UK, especially with GDP figures coming up this week. If that was to decline or miss to the downside, that could show some further pound weakness. Moving over to the US stock markets, and in particular the NASDAQ 100, which closed down 1.28% on Friday, mainly due to the prelim inflation expectations, which rose from 3.3% to 4.3%, just showing that consumers are worried about inflation in the US climbing, which could obviously cause them to spend differently in the US. So potential for some more volatility on the stock markets. Finally, we're going to take a look at natural gas prices. They have come down into a key level around about that 3.5. Commitment of trade reports showing heavy selling coming from the commercials, similar levels of recent dips previously. However, there are supply and demand concerns over natural gas at the moment. Warmer weather could see that supply fall, so we could expect some natural gas prices to be volatile over the next week. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more.